Hi all, I am Labni Singla and welcome to my channel Masters the Concept. In this video, we will understand what is a spanning tree and a minimum spanning tree. So now let's understand. A spanning tree of an undirected connected graph is a connected subgraph that includes all the vertices of the original graph but contains no cycles. In other words, we can say that a spanning tree is a tree that contains n nodes and n minus 1 edges. We will understand it more with the examples. So now first let's understand what is a minimum spanning tree. A minimum spanning tree is the smallest tree that connects all the vertices in a weighted undirected connected graph where the total sum of the edge weights is minimized. Now let's understand more with example. So let's say we have this graph. So for this graph, different spanning trees are possible. Out of those, these two are the spanning trees of this graph. Now first let's understand why these two are the spanning trees of this graph. The first thing is both contains same number of vertices of the original graph. As in this graph, we have 5 vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these two graphs also contains same number of vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So first property of spanning tree that says spanning tree should have the same number of vertices of the original graph is passed here. Now second, both contain no cycle. We can see that in both spanning trees there is no cycle. So this is also passed. And third, for n vertices, there are n minus 1 edges. We can see that here are 5 vertices and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. Same here. 5 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4 edges. So that's why these two are the spanning trees of this graph. And if we look on this graph, we can say that this is the minimum spanning tree of this graph because for this tree, the total sum of the edge weights is minimum, which is 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 here. And if we look at this graph, no other minimum spanning tree is possible. So this is all about spanning tree and minimum spanning tree. Thanks.